All right, so the last coin that we're going to talk about is Bonk. So here we are with Bonk, and this is a Solana top meme coin, and the first meme token to truly go viral on the Solana blockchain. And I love Solana. I've been thinking about investing in it myself. It's a very solid blockchain that seems to have a lot of financial backing and a lot of assets. You can do a lot of cool stuff with Solana as well. So Bonk is ultra fast and cheap, which leverages Solana's performance for fast, low-cost transfers. It also had a big 2025 performance, strong growth thanks to Solana's comeback this year. It also has a community-first airdrop, which initially distributed to Solana users for free, which is very interesting. I really appreciate and like that a lot about Bonk. You can join the Bonk Bark there. Very cool stuff. And they're all on these social media platforms, so you can follow them there. This is a really cool coin as well. And why is it hot right now? Well, Bonk plays a key role in reviving Solana's retail user base, okay? So these meme coins aren't just for laughs anymore, and some of them are truly turning into real ecosystems with DeFi education and even metaverse projects, okay? But remember, meme coins are highly volatile and investing in them can be very risky. So again, make sure you do your own due diligence and research before you invest in.